Welcome back to an all-new travel vlog with me, Angana. So for today's video, I'm here in Udupi, which is a coastal town in Karnataka. It is, trust me when I say this, it's really beautiful. It's really different from the other sea places I've been to, although I've just been to Goa. But yeah, this is something different, and I'm here with a friend. We're here to spend our weekend because the life back in Bangalore was really monotonous for the both of us. So yeah, we're staying at this property known as the Malpe Front Beach Resort, which is a very nice property, I guess, because it's right across the beach. The only perk of staying out here is that it's nearby to the beach, so that we can just go and chill anytime, like, you know, even at night we can just hear the breeze and chill. Even during the day we can just go and chill, play with the waves, although I don't think so I'm gonna play, but yes. So we got done with our breakfast, I think brunch I would say, because we arrived very late, and we decided to eat out here itself because we didn't want to go far because it's raining. And yes, I'm gonna show you my new friends that I've made recently. Hey babies, hi. Hi. No. Okay. Bye bye. So I want to introduce you to someone. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
So where are we headed to?
We are going to Malpe Beach. Can you hold this?
Sure. We're going to Malpe Beach, which is right across this resort, which is like a very beneficial thing for the both of us.
Hey, we can run away.
So what are the plans that you've set? She wants to make a reel with me, and she asked me to wear a specific outfit just for her reel.
So guys, this place is known as Malpe Seafront Cottage, and this is our new stay for 2 days. Oh, and the weather is becoming pretty good. I mean, the sun is coming back. And I'm
How happy you are?
I'm damn happy.
She's very happy because of the weather. Let's go.
You say you want to.
So Malpe Beach is one of the most well-known and the prominent beaches out here in Udupi. If you're planning to come to Udupi, make sure you visit this beach because it's one of the longest and one of the most well-known beaches out here. Let's see if we can chill. I'm really scared of water. Please don't judge me, but I think this bitch is gonna go inside. I'm not. That's why I worn my sneakers and not flip-flops.
Wanna go back. You wanna go back to a place where we can hide. You wanna stay there, wanna stay there. You wanna stay there, we can leave it, pay me high.
Come here, please make sure you collect the trash. It's really dirty. We'll do our part as well, and it's one of the longest beaches, I believe, because it's got shacks like throughout. Let's see, so long, okay. And this beach is very beautiful, except for the fact that it's really dirty, guys. It's really dirty. It's really disappointing to see people littering around. So make sure you do your part and have fun.
We can fly. Wanna go back. You wanna go back to a place where we can hide. You wanna stay there, wanna stay there. You wanna stay there, we can leave it, pay me
beach scene, and now we're headed to have some lunch. Good food outside because of course we want to make the most out of this trip. What say?
Yes.
And
Satisfied.
she does not. She's not satisfied with the pictures we took of her. I took of her in the beach. She again wants to go there and set up the props and click pictures. So we're gonna do that first, and after that we'll be heading out to the restaurants. Why are you not satisfied with the pictures? You? Why?
तुम्हारी feeling तुम्हारी, मेरी feeling मेरी.
इतना मेहनत करके खींचा. Oh my god. So I asked the manager about the restaurants, and he said you gonna find a lot of restaurants around, so we don't need to be specific about the place, you know, we can explore and you'll find it. So yes, it's damn slippery, guys. Oh my god. Auntie, say hi to my vlog.
Hi Vandana, Angana is vlogging.
Auntie, say hi to my vlog. We miss you. We miss you. We are enjoying.
Thank you.
So auntie is not in India right now, so she is definitely missing us. Again, we're heading towards the beach. I just want to make sure we don't approach creeps. I mean, creeps don't approach us. They always approach us, and they're so irritating. They're like, "Ma'am, make photo. Ma'am, make photo." What the fudge, dude? Why do you want photo with us? So annoying, dude. Like, I don't want to take pictures with you. You should also do the same, right? Dude, it's really annoying. Okay, we're with you. Because, I fed him chicken in the morning, and he obviously won't forget us for his life. That's why, if you were to debate about dogs and cats, I would always choose dogs.
So one more time we came to Malpe Beach from our stay. That's the Malpe Seafront Cottage. Because we came to the beach because I was not satisfied with the pictures that we took in the morning, and then they were chasing us, so I could not give so much of me in the picture.
Priority.
And then the dirty beach.
We will show you the trash. We will show you the trash.
Oh my god, it's so dirty, guys. It's so dirty. It looks so pretty from far, but then when you go near to it, it's like very dirty. It has got a lot of plastic, and that hurts. That hurts. So these all are like the plastic garbages that's dumped, that comes from the Arabian Ocean. It floats and it comes to the shore of this place.
So we're walking towards, we do not know where, but
We're just going to an unknown places, so we are exploring places right now.
so we decided to take an auto and head towards the town. It took us 13 to 15 minutes to reach the Udupi town from the Malpe beach. We'll start with the some chola. It's very delicious. Review? How's it? Kind of spicy, but it's okay. It's delicious.
What is coconut chutney? This coconut chutney that's very famous in South India.
Hi guys, it's day 3 of our trip to Udupi, and I'm really sorry that I could not really film any of the things yesterday because it was pouring so badly and the weather is not really cooperating since last days, but today it's a bit better comparatively, so we decided that we're gonna go out and roam a little. Let's see, and if it rains again then we're gonna have to come back, and yeah, that's it. That's about it. But today the sun is shining, so I feel extremely grateful for the weather, and the beach is right there, and I think after breakfast we're gonna head out to the beach and just chill a bit, absorb the fresh air, and might as well just go out and explore if possible. Otherwise no, because the weather is so disgusting. It's raining, there are like rains everywhere, there are like potholes everywhere, and the rain is just splashing on our faces, so it's really bad. So please don't travel to Udupi during the month of July. Please don't, it'll be a big ass mistake like the way I've done it. So yeah, this is a travel mishap, big travel mishap that has happened to me in 2021. So make sure you don't travel to Udupi during the month of June, July, August, and even September, I guess. I don't know, but then the locals have told us that even September it rains, so October and November is the right month to come here and chill. Just look at the trash, it's so dirty. Okay. You want food? You want? Ah, no, you're burning my clothes. Hi guys, so yesterday it was raining so bad we couldn't even come out of our rooms properly and film stuff, but today I just showed you the weather. It's too good and we're enjoying our breakfast. It's actually good. My morning tea.
I mean, the view is to die for.
Yep.
The food is to die for.
You don't want to leave now?
I want it for a weekend.
Even though we couldn't make the most out of this trip, but damn it, those small moments, they made us feel so alive.
Dear, everything moves so fast. It all moves so fast these days. We come in real close and dance real slow. Maybe time will change. Hey, what's up? We can sing timelessly.
I've got friends. So I fed these dogs and these bunch of crows food, and look at them right standing outside our room and waiting for me to feed them again, which I'm not doing. Bye bye. Bye crows. Bye dogs. Bye doggy. Hi guys, so it's time for me to leave Udupi because it's raining again and we could not go anywhere today, and stay tuned for my next video. Until then, goodbye.